On Heritage Day this Saturday, the Springboks are playing in the final game of the Rugby Championship, yet again taking on the Pumas, but this time home at the sunny coastal town of Durban in KwaZulu-Natal at Kings Park Stadium, and you can look forward to perfect rugby watching weather, and I know the Boks is going to make us proud. But what is the weather looking like this Heritage Day across South Africa? Let's have a look. On Heritage Day, we're expecting a northeasterly wind to become moderate and fresh this afternoon along the coast of the Eastern Cape, gusting offshore. Fresh winds also expected to calm down from late afternoon along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And then we're expecting light winds over the northern parts of the country, a southerly wind for Cape Town, and northerly winds picking up the afternoon over the interior of South Africa, where the South African Weather Service is warning against high fire danger. And into Sunday, northeasterly wind gusting over the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, blowing fresher times in Richards Bay as well as Durban, and we still have a high fire danger in place for the interior of the country due to the windy, hot and dry conditions. Our synoptic analysis is showing an onshore flow pushing in some cloud and light rain on Saturday for the east coast, but then into Sunday an upper level trough will push down moisture and it's quite unstable, so thunderstorms will stretch all the way from the Northern Cape over parts of the Free State and Eastern Cape. On Saturday, only drizzle possible for the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape and the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, quickly clearing up, and then very late a few isolated thunderstorms are likely to bubble up over the interior of South Africa, but it's only by Sunday that there's enough instability and moisture for thunderstorms to really start developing over the Northern Cape, stretching into the Eastern Cape, later moving over the coastal areas and becoming scattered over parts of the Free State, Lesotho, as well as the surrounding areas. On Saturday morning, it's cold in Sutherland with a low of 2 degrees, 8 expected in Bloemfontein, 7 in Bethlehem, but it's mild over the eastern parts of South Africa, a low of 11 in the morning in Johannesburg, and then heating up to a high of 29 degrees and a hot 31 expected in Mahikeng as well as Pretoria. 22 degrees for East London and Gqeberha, windy at times along the east coast, and it's still quite chilly over the western parts of South Africa, 20 in Cape Town and 19 expected in George. On Sunday morning, it's cool over the western parts of South Africa, but mild to warm over the rest of the country, a low of 20 in the morning in Durban, and then heating up to a high of 30 degrees, windy and hot on Sunday in Richards Bay with a temperature of 32 degrees. Maximums also expected to soar to 30 degrees with lots of sunshine in northwest the Free State, Gauteng and Limpopo, and it will remain mild to cool over parts of the Western Cape and along the coast, 18 in Cape Town, 19 expected in George and 21 for Gqeberha. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.